Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. Here's how to create a new folder in Windows 10. Method number 1. Create a new folder with a keyboard shortcut. Navigate to the location where you want to create the folder. You can create a new folder at any location on your hard drive or within another folder in File Explorer. You can also create a new folder on your desktop with this method. Hold down the Ctrl, Shift, and N keys at the same time. Windows will immediately create a new folder with the name of New Folder. Enter your desired folder name. It takes just seconds to create a new folder this way, but be sure to immediately begin typing your folder name when the folder first appears. Because if you click on the folder or click away from File Explorer, the folder name will be New Folder, and you'll have to rename it. Method number 2. Create a new folder by right-clicking. Navigate to the location where you want to create the folder. Right-click on a blank space in the folder location. Select New then Folder from the context menu. Windows will create the new folder at your current location. Enter your desired folder name to replace New Folder and hit Enter. You can create folders on the desktop using this method too. Right-click on a blank space on the desktop, then go to New and Folder. Method number 3. Create a new folder from the ribbon menu. Another simple way to create a new folder is to use the New Folder button in the File Explorer menu. Just navigate to the place you want the folder and click or tap New Folder in the Home tab. These 3 methods are the simplest and quickest ways to create a new folder so you can get right to organizing your files. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.